Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of deleting your account in Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, start by clicking on your profile icon or your name located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This section allows you to manage your account preferences and configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you will find an option labeled Close Your Account. Click on Close Your Account. This action will prompt a confirmation process. You will then see a message asking if you are sure you want to close your organization. This step ensures you have a chance to reconsider your decision. Click on Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with closing your account. Once you have completed these steps, your account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to back up any important data before you proceed, as this action cannot be undone. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for support. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.